I'd like to do a demo of this Home Decorators collection cellular shade that I just installed. It's motorized and it's got a motor that is easy to install. It installs right up here at the top of the shade, and out to the side there, what you see right there is the only little connection that operates it manually, and it's also the place that you plug this charger up into about once a year. It's lithium batteries. It only has to be charged about once a year, and it operates also with an app that you can download for your cell phone, either Apple or your Android phone. And I've got it on here, and just show you how simple this is. That's taking it up. That's taking it down. If I want to stop it, just hit it. So up, stop, down. You can see it operates real well. When you set the shade up, you calibrate it, and you calibrate it for how high you want it to go at the top and how low you want it to go for the bottom. And this app here will allow you, you can see this is for the breakfast room. You can actually put these shades in your whole house, and you can program them all into this one app, and you can put them on a schedule. You've got a schedule here where you can have them raise and lower at certain times, or just raise like that when you want to. And if you decide that you want to do it manually and not get out the phone, you just have to use this button right here. Down. I can stop it. Back up. Real nice little package. I'll have a review on Home Depot, and other people probably will also, that you can check out, but it's really easy to install. My review should detail the way you install the motor and all, and you can have this cut to the width you want. Comes in various lengths and widths, and just a real nice little addition to your home. Thank you.